यार मेरा तो गूगल क्रोम, सिंस हम लैपटॉप से क्लास ले रहे हैं इसीलिए मेरे को गूगल क्रोम खोलना पड़ा। लेकिन अगर आप तुम सब लोग फोन ही यूज कर रहे हो ज्यादा से ज्यादा, राइट? सो
Yes, ma'am.
फोन में जो स्कूल का ऐप है सबको है। वो ऐप का नाम क्या है? सेंट जेवियर्स पब्लिक स्कूल। ओके, उस एप्स में जाओगी।
Yes,
ओके,
ma'am.
जाकर
Yes,
आपको
ma'am.
देखने को मिलेगा यहाँ पर कि ये है स्टडी मटेरियल वाला पार्ट। ओके, ये देखो
Okay.
मैम सारे के सारे रिया मैम लेती है तुम्हारा साइंस का क्लास। ये मैम सारे के सारे पोस्ट किए हैं। ओके, सपोज दिस इज नॉट योर, just let me open your batch. Okay. So here study material part में देखो सारे के सारे चीज हमने अपलोड किए हैं। किसी का चैप्टर्स है स्टैंडर्ड 3 चैप्टर 1 मैथ्स का कौन सा पेज का आंसर है, सारे के सारे चीज हम लोग दे दिए हैं उधर। उसके बाद जो जो बोर्ड वर्क है डेट का अनुसार, मतलब 4-5, 5-5, 6-5, 3-5 ऐसा करके सारे के सारे चैप्टर 2 का आंसर। बहुत ज्यादा चीज हमने अभी तक नहीं भेजे हैं, बट दिस छुट्टी में हम अपडेट कर देंगे वो सब चीज को। हम सब दे रहे हैं, ठीक है? इधर ही जाकर सब आपको देखना पड़ेगा विकास। Not only Vikash who doesn't know, those persons also I am telling those things. Okay. So here देखो रिनी मैम भी बहुत सारे चीजें डाली है, हेमा मैम भी डाली है, अनन्या मैम भी डाली है। सारे के सारे आपको इकट्ठा करके पढ़ना पड़ेगा। उसके बाद हम देखेंगे, कब देखेंगे? जून का फर्स्ट डे में जब क्लास होगा। ओके ओके,
Okay,
I have
ma'am.
given you enough time. Is it
Okay,
enough for
ma'am.
you? Yes, yes. Is it
Okay,
enough?
ma'am.
Yes. So I'm stopping this share. So is there any kind of other kind of problem people is facing? Someone keep yourself mute. Jasmeet, keep yourself mute. If any problem is there,
Yes,
only you.
ma'am. No,
Okay.
ma'am. No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Is there anyone else who is facing other kind of problem? Why someone you are unmuting yourself? Someone, I am muting you. Why you are unmuting yourself? Someone don't unmute. और कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है आप लोगों? और कुछ प्रॉब्लम है? और कुछ प्रॉब्लम
No,
है?
ma'am.
नो। तो आगे बढ़ते हैं मैथ्स का सिलेबस लेकर। ओके, सो मैथ्स का सिलेबस लेकर आगे बढ़ते हैं। यस, whatever you left, you just first try to get it from there, from your school app. I just kept you mute all. Okay, and after that I will catch one by one. This is the not possible. Rajveer, is तुम्हारा question है? Okay, I will catch. If it is the physical school is happening, what is happened, you know? हम ना एक दिन कहते हैं सब बच्चे को, जो सबका मतलब 1 का 10 जिसका रोल है सब कॉपी लेकर आओ, हमको देखना है सारे के सारे काम किया है या नहीं। फिजिकल स्कूल नहीं है इसीलिए थोड़ा तो आप लोगों को इधर उधर करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि उसका तो एडवांटेज आप लोगों को लेना भी है, इसीलिए हम नहीं कर सकते। लेकिन अगर आई एम गोइंग टू गेट एनी काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स एनी डे दैट यू आर नॉट डूइंग योर वर्क, I am telling you, I will just bring you in the school and I will make you those work in front of me. Don't think that yes, ma'am is saying something wrong, something this, something that. No. Yes, Rajveer, unmute.
Ma'am, when the other classes like social studies,
Yes, from next week it will be started.
when these other classes
Next week
Will
से
we start?
next week.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So जो जो किए हैं, जितना जितना हवा खा लिए हैं, खा लिया, उसका आप डाइजेस्ट कर लो. अभी तक आज से शुरू करके लास्ट तक एग्जाम का आगे तक सब काम करना है. Doipayon, I don't want to see your home or wall. I want to see you. Please come back there. Yes. बैठो, बैठ के काम करो. So from question number 7, we will just start doing all those things. Find the sum of the place values of this page. So from 7 we will do. Okay. So I'm sharing the whiteboard. So here what is written? First write CW and what? First write CW and today's date. Today's date is what? Today's date is page 21, chapter 2, exercise B. Question number 7. So 2 4s in this. So first we'll write the number equal to, what is the number? 3404. This is ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. Right? After that, what we will write? That place value of past 4. Equal to this 4, we are taking 4 into 1. This is coming as 4 only. Then we will write place value of second 4. That means this one we are taking. In which place? This is on 100 place. That means 4 into 100. That is coming as 400. Now we will write sum of the place values of 4 equal to 400 plus 4. And you know this is how we are doing this. 400 4. So answer coming as 400. This is all okay. So then this is completed very fast. complete this sum very fast. We will proceed to the next sum. So I have completed. Only one student raised your hand. Three students, okay. So I'm rubbing these things. Next question number 8. Question number 8. Okay, question number 8 क्या है? What is question number 8? Find the difference of place values of 5 from left. From left. That is why we will take the first 5. So what is the number? The number is 3, 5, 2, 5. Again, we will demark it 1, 10, 100, and 1000. Right? This is our first 5, and this is our second 5. This is our first 5, and this is our second 5. So we will write like that. Place value of first 5 equal to 5 into 100. That is coming as 500. Now, similarly, we will write place value of second 5. That is how much? Only 5 into 1. That is coming 5 only. Now, what they have said to take out the difference. So we will write very simple. Difference equal to, minus it will be 495. So answer you will write total, that difference of place values of 3525 from left is 495. Next, 9 and 10, try to do by yourself. Afterwards, I will upload the answer only, okay? 9 and 10, you try to do by yourself. No need to raise your hand here. Debarko, you are not doing the class regularly. So question number 9, I am just showing. Find the place sum of the place values. I hope that all of you done. So I'm first writing number equal to this is 0. Okay, by the way. complete these two sums. 1 minute, after 1 minute I will change. After 11 I will do. So I'm rubbing my board. Here I am just going to take, going to do the 11, write the place values of 0. So I told you that 0 wherever it is going to sit, always it is 0. Okay, so the number is 4, 0, 2, 1, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay, so here this. So we will write place value equal to, place value of 0 equal to 0 into 100, and that is coming as 100. So we will write the answer that the place value of 0 is 100. Sorry. 0 is 0. Next sum I'm showing you exactly 12 and 13. These are also different kind of sums. Okay, 12 first I'm showing. Each number's place value they want. So we will write number equal to 4, 2, 9, 1, ones, tens, 100, thousands. Here also write 1, tens, 100, 1000. Please write it. And answer writing space is not there for me, but you all will write the answer. Okay, here the answer is place value, the only you have to find. Okay, so sum to the number itself will come again. Okay, so here up to this. Okay, so I'm stopping this share because today the time is very less. Time has also gone. First, try to write it fast. I'm also unmuting you all. If you are having any kind of problem, you can just tell me.